Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a mirror. I pulled this mirror out of a recent flip that I did, and instead of throwing it in the dumpster, I'm using it to build a rustic mirror. But what we're going to do today is we're going to cut this mirror down to size so it'll fit in the inlay. And it's actually fairly simple. All you need is a glass cutting tool. This one is actually a Husky. I bought it at Home Depot. There are better versions of this that work better. I did have 2 bad cuts on this thick mirror already for a different project. So if you can afford to get a little better glass cutter, I would do that. So I have already measured and I clamped down a straight edge to make sure that it doesn't shift, because once this diamond blade scores the mirror, that's where it's going to break. So one time my straight edge moved and I got a zigzag with the cutter, and guess what? When I broke the mirror, I had a zigzag. So clamp down your straight edge tight. You want to put down a nice consistent pressure. Now you're not trying to cut it like a box, or a piece of wood. You're not going to be scraping it back and forth. You're going to do one seamless pass from one end to the other. So I'm going to do a consistent pressure. You're going to hear it screeching. Now I'm going to go back and just do that edge one more time. I'm going to do this edge one more time. All right, now I'm going to unclamp the straight edge. And what we want to do now is, I have it unclamped. You can either break it over the edge of a straight edge, like a table, or you can put a dowel rod underneath the cut. If it's a really large piece of glass, that's what I do. You put the dowel rod underneath and you push down. Since this is not a huge piece of glass, I'm just going to move it over to the edge of my workbench, and I'm going to clamp it down. Clamping it down just makes sure that I don't have to worry about the piece bouncing when I push down, which may cause it to not crack straight. And I can then keep my hands right on the piece of glass that I'm going to be bending down. So I have now lined that up. Just going to put enough pressure on it to hold it in place. You don't want to do it slowly. That could cause it to spider across your score. You want to do a nice quick snap, and you should get a clean cut. Perfect cut. That's all there is to it. All right, well, hopefully that'll help you guys cut your next piece of glass. If you found this helpful, click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below and I'll get back to you on those. And if you like what we did here and want to see other stuff that we have coming up in the future, go ahead and subscribe. That would really help the channel out. Thanks. Have a great day.